Hi, I'm Karen Sussman, the vivacious vocologist, wondering, do you find your voice dropping into a low, throaty sound? Do you notice people aren't listening to you? Do people ask you to repeat the ends of your sentences, or are they telling you you're mumbling? Then you might be caught in the pitch ditch. To get out of the pitch ditch and energize your speaking voice, try this trick. I call it the upending. Pretend that the last word of your sentence is a discovery you just made. Picture that last word launching like a ski jumper. It rises with energy, but unlike a question, it then drops down at the end like a statement. Just not as far down as the pitch ditch. Like this: let's go to the store. Or, come here right away. This keeps the energy going right through the last word, and everyone can hear you clearly. Now let's hope they listen. I'm Karen Sussman. See you next time.